Hey guys, it's Brandon from Under Woodworking and Design. It's been a long time since I've been able to post anything or make a video because I don't have any area to do some woodworking at the moment. So I've just been itching to do something, and I actually recently got some bonsai plants, and I thought what a great way to do something small that I don't need a bunch of power tools for is to make some pots. So here I am at our storage unit where I have all of my equipment. So I'm gonna go get some stuff and we'll see what I can find. See if I can get some good scrap wood too. All right. Also found two nice pieces of poplar. I think that'll work well. Okay, so I was able to get this piece of Purple Heart scrap wood I have. Also a nice piece of walnut. I'm hoping I can use both of these to make something good. Also, jigsaw where I'm at. Not going to be able to use that table saw or the miter saw, so that's just going to be the best that I can use. Also, I'm going to grab some hand tools. I'll show you all of the tools that I end up using for these pots. Alright, so I'm back here with all my stuff. I wanted to show you the space that I have to work with. I wanted to reiterate that the pots I'm going to make are not going to be super special, fancy pots with multi-layers and extensive joinery. I'm pretty much going to use a jigsaw, a router, maybe, and some hand tools. And I just want it to look good, but mostly be functional. And another reason why is because I don't have much of a space to use. So let me show you what I've got. Alright, so I parked right up here. As you can see, that's my spot. It's going to be outdoors right here if I'm going to make any dust. The rest I'll do on the inside if I can. Just some finishing things, and glue ups will probably be done inside. Here are the seeds as they are growing right now. I've got some pretty good growth on 3 of them, and then there's that. So after experimenting with different types of cutting methods, I've come across that the handsaw, too slow, the jigsaw, not perfect enough. So I tried the router. I think I'm getting some good success with that. I'm going to use a straight edge and use that router to follow the line. I'll show you how that works out. Hopefully that's much better than those previous 2 methods. Okay, so now I've gotten this sanded to close enough to where I'd like. It's kind of wonky shaped. I actually kind of like that, mostly because I'm not doing anything super fancy. I'm not even using a miter saw. I was wanting to, but I actually kind of like this. So now I need to router out the inside, which that should be fairly simple. Hopefully it's not too much of a challenge. Okay, so that didn't work, so I'm gonna try one of these. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, me making just these small little pots just for fun. I love making these kind of videos, so I would really appreciate it if you subscribed and would give me a thumbs up.